Hello, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to change your account name in Best Buy. The first I'd like you to do is launch your Best Buy account, which of course I've done right here. Now, it's real interesting to know that Best Buy is an American multinational consumer electronics retailer that leverages its unique combination of tech expertise and human touch to meet its customers' needs. Now, Best Buy sells consumer electronics and a variety of related merchandise, including software. So now that we know a bit of what Best Buy is about, let's quickly hop into today's start, which is how to change your account name in Best Buy. From this homepage, head over to the top right corner of your screen. You're going to find the Hi Amanda, recently view other status and saved items. So go ahead and click on Hi, add your name, and that's going to take you to this extended window that has extended options. So in here you have account, purchases, product, payment method, plans and subscriptions, member offers, my Best Buy membership, down to account settings. Now click on account settings and that's going to take you to the account settings window. In this window, you have three categories: your info, account security, and connections. Now under account security, you have further options: email addresses, change your password, you have set up two-step verification, remember devices, you have passkey, and under your info you have addresses, payment methods, phone numbers, communication preferences, topic of person, manage instant notification, and you have change your account name. Now go ahead and click on change your account name. Here's my account name, Amanda Mac. So click on this update hyperlink. I need to verify my account, because Best Buy is security conscious, so I need to get that code. Okay. 078 26175. Punch the enter button. So now you can enter your first name. That's to update the name on your account. So enter your first name, your new first name, and your new last name. I want you to do that. Go ahead and click on save. Let's say you got married and you want to change your name, so you can change your new first name, add your new first name and your new last name. Click on save, and once you click on save, that's going to be it. Your account name is going to be successfully changed. I can go about this tutorial from top to bottom to get acquainted with the steps, and once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope this tutorial marvelously helped your search.